Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have the table ready, so open Word and choose Mailings. Start Mail Merge Letters to begin. Once done, click Select Recipients. Use an existing list and point to your Excel file. Make sure you select the correct sheet and check the header option. You're initiating the connection between Word and Excel, which lets you insert fields. Before moving on, confirm column names are clear and unique so Word matches each field without confusion. Now insert merge fields where content should change per recipient, place name and address blocks, then add commas and line breaks so formatting is stable. Once done, use rules to add conditionals, for example, an if rule for custom salutations or a greeting line for formal versus informal addresses. Preview results to step through records and catch spacing or missing data issues. Make sure to correct Excel values. If to finish, choose Finish and Merge and decide whether to edit individual records, print, or send emails. You'll want to save a merged document for records. Once done, export to PDF if you need a stable layout, and inspect page breaks so addresses don't split. If something goes wrong, reconnect the Excel source, close and reopen Word, verify header names match exactly, and refresh the data source. If errors persist, fix the Excel table, no merged cells, and repeat the merge. That usually resolves mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.